Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I just made a video on this. And while that video was loading, I thought, that's a pretty cool design. Now, this piece is still two pieces, so we'll make one piece out of it. And while you have this, you can left click, right click, and just play with it. So we're going to make a duplicate while holding down the control key, move it over. Now, they're a little bit thin up here, but we could change that, or you could actually just, let's change our nudge factor like to 0.1 and just see what happens when we nudge it. See, kind of make that like that. You could weld it, but you're right here. Just take your virtual segment delete key and delete that. Now do the same thing, but I would smart fill it, making one piece, nudge it out of the way, left click, right click, left click, right click, control D and make a duplicate while holding down the control button. See, I didn't hold down the control button. I was holding down the shift key. And you could do the same thing here, or just have a minute little deal. We still got our nudge factor set on little. You know what? I'm going to just match these up by hand. So I'm going to take the pick tool and just match it up right there. Now I could definitely weld this, but you're right here. And a lot of times it's a lot faster than welding. Let me get these out of the way. And then just take that, and you've got to smart fill it every time. Because if you don't smart fill it, then it's not one shape, and you've got broken pieces. Then I'm going to left click, right click, control D. Now this time I am going to rotate it 90 degrees. You know what, real quick, I wonder what it looked like at 45. Yeah, too much. Let's just go back to 90 degrees. And then this time you can't, you know what? I did it differently so my pieces aren't touching, but that's fine. Maybe it'll look different. Now I can weld this, and it's going to get rid of all those inside pieces. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool, and I like that yellow, even though I don't know much about the bevel tool. I'm going to take away the outline. Well, see, when you Smart Fill, sometimes you can't take away the outline. So let's just move the Smart Fill over here. Let's zoom in here. A method for this video to be real quick. Effects, bevel. We're just going to use the same. Look at that right there. And you could, I really, sometimes people will take it and make it look better. And if somebody knows more how we could make this look better, see, you're just changing the direction of the shadow there in the altitude. That looks pretty good. Now just take a black box effect. Black box to me just kind of makes it really pop out. That looks pretty cool. That would be I would think, a pretty cool design for somebody if you wanted to make a unique logo. Anyway, just playing around. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.